Imagine turning every failure into a stepping stone toward success. Today, we're diving into the book From Failure to Success by Martin Meadows. In this book, the author shares his journey of overcoming countless setbacks to achieve his dreams. Packed with practical tips and exercises, this book helps you build mental resilience and transform your failures into triumphs. If you're ready to change your perspective on failure and unlock your true potential, this video is your guide. We've divided this book into 7 chapters, so let's get started. Chapter 1. Understanding Failure. Martin Meadows starts by changing how we see failure. Instead of a setback, he sees it as a part of our growth journey. This new view helps reduce the fear of failing. He explains that feeling disappointed or frustrated is normal but temporary. By understanding these emotions, we can handle them better. Meadows introduces the growth mindset, the idea that we can develop our abilities through effort and learning. He also shares stories of famous people who turned their failures into success. For example, Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. This chapter teaches us to see failure as a lesson and an opportunity to grow. Chapter 2. Psychological Impact of Failure. Failure can mess with our minds and emotions. It's normal to feel disappointed, frustrated, or even ashamed. But these feelings don't last forever. Meadows explains that by recognizing these emotions, we can manage them better. When disappointment shows up, know it's just part of the process. When frustration hits, remind yourself it's a sign you're pushing your limits. And when shame tries to take over, counter it with self-compassion. Understanding and managing these emotions turn failure into a stepping stone. For instance, if you miss out on a job opportunity, instead of feeling stuck, reflect on what you can improve for next time. Chapter 3. Learning from Mistakes. Meadows says it's important to look at your mistakes and learn from them. Ask yourself, what went wrong? And how can I improve? Think of it like being a detective. Reflect on what happened, find out where things went wrong, and make a plan to do better next time. Keeping a journal can help track your progress. For example, if you gave a presentation and it didn't go well, don't just feel bad. Reflect on it. Maybe you didn't practice enough, or you got too nervous. By figuring this out, you can work on these issues. Next time, you might practice more or find ways to calm your nerves. Remember, even the most successful people have failed many times. What makes them different is their ability to learn from those failures and keep moving forward. Chapter 4. Growth Mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that you can improve your skills and intelligence through hard work and learning. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, start thinking, I can't do this yet. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to grow. They embrace difficult tasks and persist through setbacks. Failure becomes a valuable learning experience. By analyzing what went wrong, you can make improvements and try again with a better approach. For example, if you struggle with a new skill, see it as a chance to learn and grow rather than a sign of failure. Chapter 5. Resilience Building. Resilience is like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. To build resilience, start by staying positive. Each day, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Set realistic goals and celebrate each small victory. Take care of yourself with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and plenty of sleep. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation. Build a support network of friends and family who lift you. Share your feelings and experiences with them. And if you need extra help, don't hesitate to seek professional support. For example, if you're facing a tough time at work, talking to a friend or mentor can provide new perspectives and support. Chapter 6. Actionable Steps. In the end, the author provides practical steps to help you view failure differently and use it as a tool for growth. He emphasizes the importance of setting realistic and achievable goals. When goals are too ambitious, failure can feel overwhelming and discouraging. By breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, you can make steady progress and celebrate small victories along the way. This approach helps maintain motivation and reduces the fear of failure. Meadows also highlights the importance of practicing self-compassion. He encourages readers to be kind to themselves and avoid harsh self-criticism. Instead of beating yourself up over mistakes, Treat yourself with the same understanding and patience you would offer a friend. This mindset fosters resilience and helps you bounce back more quickly from setbacks. Maintaining a positive outlook is another key point. Meadows suggests focusing on the lessons learned from each failure rather than dwelling on the negative aspects. By keeping a positive attitude, you can stay motivated and keep moving forward. This involves reframing your thoughts to see challenges as opportunities. Wrapping up the book, remember, failure is not the end but a part of the journey to success. By changing how we view and handle failure, we can unlock our true potential. Ready to turn your failures into triumphs? Grab a copy of From Failure to Success by Martin Meadows and start your journey today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging content.